What's going on, guys? Adam Dickert here with Progress Realty Partners. And we're back for another round of Thirsty Thursday. For those of you that don't know what this is, we go around trying locally crafted New Jersey beers. But while we do that, we give you guys some real estate knowledge. You guys are thirsty for real estate knowledge, and I love beer. We're like blue cheese and buffalo wings. So this week, we're gonna be discussing what is and how to calculate cap rate. And to help get us through that, we have our little buddy here, Sticky Fingers Saltwater Taffy IPA from Ship Bottom Brewery in Beach Haven. But before we get started, the initial taste test. Let's get started. So again, what is and how to calculate cap rate? So first and foremost, how do we calculate this bad boy? To calculate the cap rate, you simply divide your NOI, or net operating income, divided by your purchase price. So a quick example, if you're buying a property for $1 million and your net operating income is $100,000, you have a 10% cap rate. Now that we know how to calculate it, what is it? Assuming you're buying the property all cash, this is your most basic metric to calculate the rate of return. So on the surface level, the lower the cap rate or rate of return, the lower perceived risk there is in that property. On the reverse, the higher the cap rate, like a 10 cap in our example, that's perceived to have a higher risk. Each product type typically trades within its own cap rate range. For example, stabilized multifamily, might trade between a 4 and a 6 cap, whereas multi-tenanted stabilized retail might trade between a 6 and a 9. Given that all buyers use leverage differently, cap rate is one of the most pure forms of rate of return for an all cash purchase. And getting back to our buddy right here, the final taste test. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give this thing a 2. I hate fruity beers, but for those of you that do, this is the Ship Bottom Sticky Finger Saltwater IPA from Ship Bottom Brewery right here in Beach Haven, New Jersey. I'm Adam Dickert. We're Progress Realty Partners. Catch you guys next week with a new beer and new information.